Hi guys, as I told you that in the previous video we have done the basic configuration. Now I'm going to remove the WatchGuard appliance from my PC and I'm going to connect it to my computer. So let's go and check it now. Let's just pause my video because I'm going to get one more network cable to connect from my switch to PC. And let's wait now. So I found the cable. Now before I'm going to connect, I just want to see what configuration is there in my switch. Let's go and check it now because as I told you that there is no VLANs. Let's see that if any configuration is there, I'm going to reboot my switch. I'm going to make it as a default. So first of all, what I need to do now, just right click on my computer, then go to the properties. Then after that, click on the device manager. There you can see here my console cable is connected with COM port number 7. Then after that, what you can do now, just open the putty. You can able to see here the putty, then select the serial interface, then select the COM 7, then click open. There you go, show VLAN brief. So it has some certain VLANs over there. So it's a brand new switch, but already VLANs are there. So I don't want to show it to you how to configure the VLANs and all. That's fine for me. Can we check is there any other configurations are there? Oh, there is some configurations are there. It may create some issues for me in the data. So what I will do, I am going to show it to you as a bonus. Delete flash /VLAN dot dat. Then after that, erase startup config. Then after that, reload the switch. So you just wait for some time, guys. I'm going to pause the video now so that all my configurations are going to delete from my switch. So I can able to show it to you from basic. So I'm going to pause now. Yeah, hope my switch is ready, guys. So just click enter, say no, enable conft hostname is home switch. So let's go and do this because while I'm typing my commands, I'm able to see some interruption. So now I just stop that, save the configuration. Now if you see here, show VLAN brief, I don't have any VLANs. But I just want to enable one of the global command which you can see here, spanning tree, port fast, then default. So that if you see here, show spanning tree summary, I can able to see here the port fast default is enabled by default. So whenever I connected any port, by default it will not going to wait for 30 seconds to come up because I can able to avoid the listening, learning and forwarding. So that's what I just enabled that. So far I didn't do anything, guys. So what's next now? So if you see here, show VLAN brief. So far I have a default VLAN. All my interfaces are belongs to VLAN number 1. So now I'm going to disconnect it from my PC. Okay, see here, you can able to see the disconnection, guys. See the disconnected. Okay, and I'm going to connect my firebox into the switch. So I'm going to use port number 24, which is my last port. I'm going to connect. Yes, if you see here, there is a alert will be there. Yes, port number 24 is connected to the firebox. So here what I want to do now, I just want to do some basic commands. Interface fast ethernet 1/0/24, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN number 1, spanning tree port fast. There you go. Then save this configuration. Then after that, my computer, I am going to connect it to port number 1. There you go. You can able to see that the alert. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do now, let's see that am I got the IP address or not. Okay, guys. So let's say IP config. There you go. Can I able to ping? Yes, I can able to ping www.google.com. Yes, I can able to do that. So right now all my traffic is going through my firewall. So this is the way how you can do it. If it is a small deployment, you can able to do only this type of settings, guys. You don't need to do other things, nothing to do here. Okay. Now, and one more thing I just want to show it to you here. And if you are trying to connect another computer for testing purpose, I am going to bring one more computer so that I can able to see that whether I can able to connect it or not. That's what I'm trying to show it to you. Just I'm going to pause the video now. Yes, I got my little tiny computer, guys. I'm connecting to port number 3 now. So let's go and check it now, how things will move. And if you want to see that alert, I just open for you my SSH, put it, just see here. Now port number 3 you can able to see here. Let's go and log in now. What is the IP address which I got it in this computer? It's my tiny computer. There you can see. Okay. This computer, it has assigned some different IP. Let's go and change it now. Obtain IP address automatical. Obtain DNS automatic. Click OK. Click OK. Click close now. There you go. The IP address which I got it for this computer is 172.16.1.12. So far I am going to verify now whether I got the internet or not. Ping 172.16.1.12. There you go. I can able to ping 1.1. There you go. I can able to ping www.google.com. Yes. Let me try to browse now. Okay. It's my work network. Then close. That's me browse. Open the browser. But before that, I just want to disable my Windows update. It's going to consume more and more bandwidth. Change settings. Never check for the updates. Then click OK. There you go. Perfect. Now just open the browser. From the browser, you can able to see it whether you can able to do it or not. Yes. So now just click here www dot. I don't want to restore any pages. Google.com, because since this laptop we didn't use very long time, guys. That's the reason. There you go. www.facebook.com. Yes, I can able to see the Facebook website. Yes, my Google is open. So I'm just confirmed now, because since my computer is very slow, guys, that could be the reason. That's why I'm getting bit delay. But so far everything is fine. So I can able to see the internet. So this is for my small deployment. I can able to show it to you. Now let's see here. So for these ports are open, guys. HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and ping, and I can see that DNS, these ports are by default is open. And if you want to know what traffic is going from these ports, just double click on your HTTPS proxy, then go to the properties. Then after that, if you see here, there is a logging. Just click on the logging, send a log messages. Then after that, click OK. Then click OK. Then after that, double click on your HTTP traffic. I just want to see the logs as well. Logging. Then send a message. OK. Then click OK. Then if you want to know that your DNS logs, then after that you just go to the properties, then click logging, then send log message. Already is there. There you go. Now if you want to see that logs, just open your dashboard. There you can able to see here, click on the Firebox System Manager. Then after that you can see here traffic monitor. You can able to see the live traffic. But here sometimes you may get confused, so that what you can do, right click and just do the settings. Then you can say here show log field name, so that you can able to see source IP and the destination IP and what is the source port and what is the destination port. You can able to see it. And if you want to see, for example, what's the IP address of my computer, which is 172.16.1.11. So if I want to filter only the specific traffic, 172.16.1.11, so enter. Then after that you can see only I can able to see the filter which is going from my computer. So for that, if you want to check that, just open here www.gulfnews.com, so that I can able to see that exactly what kind of traffic is going. See how fast is, guys, how fast is that. So you just see here, so there is a DNS entry, you can able to see here, yes, HTTPS traffic. So it contact this packet is allowed, guys, there is no issue. See, I can able to see that lot of information is going on. Okay, from my PC, whatever traffic is going, I can able to see that. In case if it is denied, this traffic is allowed, guys. Okay, this traffic is allowed. And second thing is that if you see here, I can able to ping, right? So for example, if you see CMD ping -t www.google.com, because I can able to see the ping, because as I told you that the ping packet is, I mean ping is allowed here, because see here it's going to ICMP type 8 is allowed here. So for example, if you want to delete this policy, let's say I don't want to do that, so just disable this policy. Then after that you just verify it, then see here still it's continuing. The thing is that after doing any changes, just save it into your Firebox, so that you will be able to see the latest changes. So it's my read write. So this is always keep remember, guys, because most of the people see here, this is the default file which I'm using to do all the changes. Yes, replace that, then click save. There you go, click OK. Now see here, now you cannot able to see the ping now. Just wait now. See, you cannot able to see now. The ping is, why? Because the ping is stopped. So that's what I'm trying to show it to you. Again, if you right click on this and if you say enable this policy, then after that again what you have to do, just send it to the Firebox, because you need to save it there. Read write, then click OK. Now you can able to see here same file I want to rewrite it. Yes, that's your configuration file, guys. Then click OK. Now if you see here, I can able to see my traffic again. So that's what I'm trying to see here. Whatever it's showing here in this dashboard, those ports are open at the moment. Those things you can able to do it by yourself, because if you want to add any additional things, I'm going to show it to you in my next video. Thank you for watching this one.